Also here, meron mga barber shop, nakita nyo. Meron mga nagtatattoo here, mga nagbe-braids. At ito nakita ko mainit eh. Kailangan ma-interview ko agad to, baka mawala. Excuse me, hi, hello. What's your name, my friend?
Hi, I'm Jenna.
Hi, Jenna. Holy Mary, mother of God. Damn, Jenna. You're hot as hell. I think you're the hottest girl here right now. So, Jenna, what do you do? I like your shop. Gems, okay. Oh, gems for the teeth. Okay, so you do grills also?
No.
No. So,
Gems only.
gems only. So, can you describe to me what's your product and what do you do?
We use Swarovski crystals.
Swarovski crystals here.
Yes.
Okay. And then,
And
ang ganda ni Jen.
any design.
Uh-huh.
Like this.
Wow. So, how do you put it?
We use dental grade material.
Dental grade materials.
Yeah, so yung pandikit ng braces, ganyan.
Oh, so, meaning you can put this one sa teeth natin. Kasi me, I have grills, okay? I have different kinds of grills. Different colors with bling-bling. So, ito ba, edible ba to?
It's safe.
It's safe.
It's basically glass. So,
Ay, glass.
it will come out naturally. So,
Ganun ba yun? Pag nalunok?
pag nalunok mo.
Talaga.
So, we don't use yung parang sa nails.
Can you stand up for a while para medyo
Kasi yung others,
para makita nila kung gaano kaganda yung drip mo. Wow, I like your drip. So, can you come here para medyo di tayo against the light or something? Mainit siya. Jen, right? Jenna. How do you spell it?
Jenna.
Oh, Jenna. I like your drip. God damn. So, what's your drip for today? If I may ask.
Very simple kasi alam ko mainit.
So, New Era cap.
Yes.
And then your spaghetti blouse is from Zara ba yan?
Yes.
Zara. And then the shorts are from?
Uniqlo.
Uniqlo. And I like the sandals. Nike. God damn, you know, kahit anong suot mo, maganda ka. Saka lumalabas yung ganda ng suot dahil sa'yo. Okay, so, let's describe. Naka-dual cam ako, tabi ka sa akin para makita mo. Okay, so, ito yung ginagawa mo, right? Okay, so, ayan, ito yung mga Swarovski. Dentista ka ba?
No. Pero di naman need ng certificate or anything.
Just to do this
Here,
one.
kasi it's creative expression siya.
So, usually, how long will it take para to do it? Yeah.
Depende sa set. So simple lang, less than 20 minutes.
Oh yeah? Just like that?
Yes.
And then for how long tatagal naman?
Dapat 3 months above. Depende.
Oh yeah? 3 months above?
Yes.
Pwede ba magpa-special session sa'yo?
Naman.
Kasi medyo busy ako. Saan ba yung shop or
Home
store?
base.
Home base?
Yes, Magallanes lang.
In where?
Magallanes.
Wow, Magallanes. Kapit-bahay mo yung tita ko ron. Talaga sa Magallanes. Oh.
Yes.
Okay, you can plug it. What's your Facebook page or Instagram?
Shine Doro.
What was? Here.
Shine Doro.
Dito ka tabi ka saan para makita nila yung kagandahan mo, para hindi ka nila mamimiss. Kasi mamimiss na kita after this one. Shine Doro. Ayan, Shine Doro. Saan to? Facebook, Instagram, lahat ng social media. TikTok. Actually, I have a new single. Actually, I have a lot of new single because I'm trying to finish an album. And probably, hopefully, I can work with you if you can be in my music video. Nakapag-music video ka na ba sa mga?
Not really.
Buti na lang. Mas maganda yun para talagang bagong-bago.
Kailangan may consent ng boyfriend.
What the fuck? Well, sayang kasi Jenna, actually, I have a foundation. I-ounce sa Putik Foundation. Nag-aano ako sa Putik ng mga 18 to 25 years old single female. Pinag-aaral ko sa Assumption. Gusto mag-aaral ulit o mag-master sa Ateneo, AIM. Tapos pag mabait, binibigyan ko ng iPhone 16 Pro. May kasamang load.
Okay, get.
Hindi
I get the vision.
Talaga. Pero maganda yung business mo. This one. Kasi kakaiba. Tsaka first time sa Pilipinas. Diba?
Thank you.
Again, meron ka ba cellphone number na pwede nilang mag-inquire?
Active kami sa Instagram. So,
yan. So, screenshot na lang nila yan.
Yes.
Diba? Yan. Kita ka dyan. Again, thank you, Jenna.
Thank you.